I got monetized in just 3 videos, and here's how I did it. I combined 2 old niche to create a new niche. If you watch all my videos, which I also uploaded sa YouTube channel ko, kung ginaya nyo man yung mga niche na shinare ko sa inyo, probably you are gaining views, just like me. Let me give you a background on what happened at magkano ang kinita ko sa niche na to. I uploaded my first video noong June 7 and in-upload ko sa channel ko yung new niche na nakita ko noong May 26. So medyo late na din ako nakapag-start sa niche na to. Pero still nakapag-gain ako ng 5.9 million views sa una kong upload. And that's not bad at all. Then sinundan ko agad, nakapag-gain din naman siya ng 7.1 million views sa second upload ko and then 1.2 million views sa third upload ko. Nothing special sa mga upload na to. Kahit yung description wala akong nilagay, hashtag lang at title lang ng video. What I think that really helped na mag-viral yung video ko is dahil sa editing style na ginawa ko. As you can see sa retention graph na to, ni hindi man lang bumaba, almost straight line na talaga siya. The longer they watch your videos, mas ipopromote ni YouTube yung video nyo. And here's what I earned sa 14.3 million views ko, $300, and that's not bad at all. Pero I don't think that this niche will do good sa inyo. So I will share a new niche para sa inyo at sabay-sabay tayo dito. I will create a new channel at samahan nyo ako sa journey na to. I-update ko rin kayo kung ano bang mangyayari sa channel na to. Kung gusto nyo sumabay, nasa inyo na yon. Kung ayaw nyo, okay lang din. I recently heard sa mga sinasalihan kong groups na si YouTube ay nagpo-promote ngayon ng longer videos. Kaya medyo madami-dami din akong nakikita na gumagawa ng longer videos. Like 1 to 2 hours. And I found this channel. This channel is called Sleepless Historian. And I will help you on how to recreate this channel step by step. Sobrang dali lang nito. Kung pupunta kayo sa channel niya, makikita nyo meron na siyang 67 videos with 455k subscribers. Meron siyang total of 15 million views. At pupunta tayo sa pinaka-popular videos niya na hindi man lang niya tinatapos yung paglagay ng mga graphs. Almost hanggang 30 minute mark lang. Tapos pagkatapos nun, wala na yan. Puro voice over na lang yan. So, napakadali lang gawin ito. Makikita nyo nga rin dito, sa CapCut niya lang din siya ginagawa. Ito ang kailangan natin gawin. So, like what I've said, let's combine 2 old niche to create a new niche. So, lately, ang nakikita ko is pinopromote nga ni YouTube yung mga longer videos. So, ang gagawin natin is co-combine natin tong Sleepless Historian niche. So, syempre, hindi niya natin to pwedeng gayahin dahil oversaturated na to. Marami nang gumagawa nito. Kailangan natin i-level up yung videos natin. So, i-combine natin tong Sleepless Historian to this niche, the Dead Signal VHS. We will still doing a video na pampatulog, pero may different approach lang tayo. Okay. So, ang gagawin nyo, punta tayo sa ChatGPT. So, I want you to analyze these 2 channels. So, okay, copy nyo lang muna tong Sleepless Historian. Unti lang. Tapos, and ito. Okay. And then enter. 8, yan na. Very different niche. Nakita nyo, diba? So, antay mo siya matapos. Ayun, Actually, siya na rin nagsabi, final thoughts, merge both. You could merge both styles into a hybrid channels. Midnight broadcast, late night 2-minute horror short but historical titles like Medieval Town had no silence. That's why they heard it. You live as a Roman, you woke up as a god. Napoleon woke up in 2025. It's high concept, eerie, informative, and algorithm gold. See? Kahit si ChatGPT alam niya na maganda yung pag-combine ng 2 channel na yan. So, yun ang gagawin natin. Let's combine the 2 channel to create a new channel. I want you to give me a YouTube name with username. No. Pero parang mas I'm going to this dead archive. Yeah, let's try this one. Feeling ko wala pang gumagamit nito eh. Obscuria Historia. So let's I chose give me a full YouTube package. history, but only the parts they buried. Oh, that's nice. Channel concept na his fusion, sleep story song, sleep with a strange narration on all odd dark historical truths. Okay. Content themes for within his story, listening and suppressed records, analog horror style, PSA interruption, or curse lessons. Okay. Tagline option, history but distorted. Okay. So, ang una na kailangan is yung profile picture at saka yung YouTube banner. So, generate profile picture. Siyempre, habang nag-generate yan, medyo matagal yan. So, create na tayo ng YouTube channel. So, let's create a new channel. Obscura Historia. And then yung ating handle. Yun lang, medyo hindi siya available. Yan siguro dito, the Obscura Historia. Bakit hindi siya available? Obscura Historia. YouTube. Yan na ng YouTube. Okay na yan. Okay. I think we have to go with this. Okay. Upload lang natin yung picture. Tapos next is generate YouTube banner. Create channel. So, balikan nyo lang yung binigay niya. Kailangan natin yung channel bio. Customization. Paste natin yung description. Okay. Ngayon lang natin to. And then, let's wait for the banner. Yan, done. And then, ito. Punta kayo ngayon sa settings. Channel, keywords. Paste nyo lang yan. Tanggalin natin itong isa. Upload defaults. Tags, paste nyo lang din. Advanced settings. Category. Education. Ito sa education tayo. Kasi more on history naman to eh. Save. So, publish na natin yung channel natin. So, ano na lang kulang natin? Video na lang ang kulang natin. Meron natin yung channel. Meron natin idea kung saan umiikot ang channel natin. So, meron na siyang binigay na video ideas. So, mamimili lang tayo. Long form. What dying in ancient Egypt actually felt like. Ito. Actually, pwede na to. Yan. Generate the script for this. Yan. So, generating siya. So, ang nakalagay, obscure history to sleep to. 2 hours calming narration, immersive historical storytelling with unsettling undertones. Okay. So, meron lumabas na, would you like me to expand this into the full 2 hours script in 15 section? Okay. Lagyan lang natin. Turn the script into full 2-hour script. 2-hour script. Kailangan natin 2 hours kasi mas yun nga yung nasa yun nga yung mas kailangan natin ng buong 2 hours na script kasi yun nga yung mas pinopromote ni YouTube ngayon, yung mahahabang videos. Natapos na tayo mag-generate ng ating full 2-hour script. So, punta muna tayo dun sa pinaka-first. Okay, balik tayo dito. Wait lang. Ito. So, ito yung pinaka-first natin. Section 1. Ito. You don't remember exactly what it is? Okay. Okay, copy natin yan. And then, alam niyo na, saan tayo pupunta? 11 labs. So, kailangan nyo gamit dito ng maraming Google Gmail para ma-generate tong ganitong kadaming speech. So, of course, kailangan nyo pumili ng voice. Meron ako napili si David Castlemore. Okay, ito na yung first speech natin. So, let's generate this. And then, hindi ko muna i-generate lahat for the sake of this video para medyo maiksi lang. Yung first, ano ba tawag ito? Yung first section lang muna yung i-generate ko. E-edit ko na rin yun. Pero ang i-upload natin sa YouTube natin is yung buong 2 hours. Okay. So, generate na natin. Okay, once na-generate nyo na siya, syempre download nyo lang. Okay, na-download na natin siya. So, lagyan lang natin siya sa editing app na gusto nyo. So, sa akin is Premiere Pro. So, pakinggan muna natin siya.
You don't remember the exact moment it started. Just that one morning, the light hit the clay walls of your home differently. Your skin felt slightly colder, your limbs heavier. It wasn't illness exactly, it was forgetting. Your body forgetting how to be alive. And somehow, everyone around you already knew. They didn't panic, no rushing, no shouting. Just quiet preparations.
Okay, now we have that. Ang editing approach na gagawin natin dito is yung mala VHS tape. So, ganun yung editing approach na gagawin natin. So, medyo i-edit natin tong sound effect na to. So, syempre, lagay tayo ng audio effects. Bilan tayo ng FFT filter. Okay. Edit lang natin siya. So, I think this one. Aba natin to. This one. Tapos natin to ng konti. To be flat to ito ganito. Okay, yan, pangin natin. Okay, I like that one. Tapos siguro lagay tayo ng distortion. And distortion. I think this is okay na.
Just that one morning, the light hit the clay walls of your home differently. Your skin felt slightly colder. You don't remember the exact moment it started. Just that one morning, the light hit the clay walls of your home differently. Your skin felt slightly colder, your limbs heavier. It wasn't illness exactly, it was forgetting.
Okay. I like that one. So, kailangan natin siyempre yung images. So, let's ask ulit si ChatGPT to generate images for us. Can you give me AI image prompt for each, kahit nga each section na lang eh. Give me at least 5 images per section. Select only important parts of the script. Start Okay, yan. Okay. Siyempre. Now we have to go to your favorite AI image generation. So, pwede kayo mag-Leonardo.ai or kung ano man yung gusto nyo. So, for this video, gagamit tayo ng Leonardo.ai. So, let's generate image. Okay, let's generate image. Paste nyo lang yung prompt dito. Pili lang din kayo dito kung anong gusto nyo. Pwede mag-Phoenix, Lucid Real, Flux. Okay. Pwede tayo sa Flux Dev. Flux Dev. Siyempre, piliin nyo yung 16:19 dahil this is a long form video. Copy-paste nyo lang kung ano nilagay nila. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Generate.
You don't remember the exact moment it started. Just that one morning, the light hit the clay walls of your home differently.
Okay. So, we have to pick one from this. Maybe, let's try this one. Okay. So, download natin yung image and then paste lang natin siya dito. Okay. So, syempre, kailangan natin makuha yung effect ng VHS tape. So, lagay tayo ng adjustment layer. Okay. Cover natin lahat. Habaan na lang natin to. Okay. Okay. Edit ko muna tong video na to. And then, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung kalalabasan. Okay guys, natapos ko na i-edit yung video natin. So, ito na siya. Ang kalalabasan na to is 2 hours and 16 minutes. So, bali 30 minutes lang yung in-edit ko dito. Nilagyan ko ng effects. Yung sunod, yan, puro black na lang siya. Ayan. So, panoorin natin. Papanood ko sa inyo yung first. Papanood ko sa inyo kung ano yung kalalabasan.
You don't remember the exact moment it started. Just that one morning, the light hit the clay walls of your home differently. Your skin felt slightly colder, your limbs heavier. It wasn't illness exactly, it was forgetting. Your body forgetting how...
Yan, ganoon lang siya kasimple. Napaka-basic lang. So, voice over lang, tapos yung mga generate nating clips from ChatGPT. So, anong next step natin is siyempre mag-upload na tayo. So, punta na kayo dun sa channel nyo. Create, upload video. So, hanapin nyo lang yung video na gusto nyo i-upload. For sure ako, medyo matagal-tagal to kasi 2 hours yung video eh. So, lagay lang natin yung title. Siyempre ito, ChatGPT na naman. Gumamit na tayo ng ChatGPT for the title. And then, siyempre yung description. Copy-paste lang natin yan. Ayan. Medyo edit lang natin ng konti, no? Ayan. Paste lang natin yung description natin. Okay na yan. Hindi ko na i-edit yan. Tapos, ito, keywords. Kung gusto nyo maglagay ng keywords, pwede rin. Pwede ilagay yan dito. So, more. Yan dito. Pwede nyo ilagay yan dito. So, cancel natin yan. Paste. Okay. Tapos, ito. Category. Huwag nyo kalimutan yung category. Ito, kahit ito. Huwag na to. Pwede nyo lagyan yan. Pero kahit hindi na yan, okay lang yan. Basta yung category, lagyan nyo to. Education. Okay. Tapos, click nyo lang din yung ito. No, it's not made for kids. Tapos, meron na rin ako na-generate na thumbnail. So, upload na lang din natin. Okay. Once na natapos nyo ng fill upan nyo, kailangan nyo fill upan para mag-upload ng video. So, i-publish nyo na yung video. For me, hindi naman na kailangan ng oras nyan. Kahit anytime, pwede nyo i-upload yan. Pwede nyo panoorin to. Kung ayaw nyo maniwala, panoorin nyo tong post ko na best time to post to target US audience. Follow nyo lang yung recommended posting timeline ni ChatGPT. Kunyari, sinabi ni ChatGPT, every 1 week ka mag-upload ng long, and then every day ka mag-upload ng shorts. Ang pwede nyo gawin, i-cut nyo yung long video into short form video para mas maka-attract ka ng mga viewers. Ayun lang guys, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang, and then just be consistent sa ginagawa nyo. Focus only on one YouTube account. Huwag kayong gumawa ng napakadaming YouTube account. So, mag-focus muna kayo sa isang YouTube account hanggang sa ma-monetize yun. Once na na-monetize yun, pwede na kayo maghanap ng video editor. Kasi alam nyo na meron na kayo may papasahod sa kanila. And then, tsaka kayo gumawa ng panibagong channel. Yun lang. Kung may natutunan kayo sa channel na to, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa panonood, guys. And then, hanggang sa susunod na video. Peace out.